going on, stackers? So in this video, this is a little bit different because I want to talk about dividend investing for passive income. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, what is dividend investing? Well, without making this too long, it's investing in the stock market in companies that pay out their profits or a share of their profits to their shareholders. Now, when it comes to investing in the stock market, there's two different types of investing. Growth investing, where you're buying shares or stocks in the hope in the future that the price is going to rise. And then dividend investing is where you're literally investing in companies that only pay dividends. And these dividends could be every month, quarterly or yearly. So they're cash producing assets. And this is what we're going to be talking about. Now, I got into stocks and shares, or tried getting into stocks and shares years ago. I learnt so much, I just kept learning and learning. Then I found out about dividend investing, but never really got round to it because signing up with a broker, these brokers take fees, quite a lot of fees. Now, most of them, if you want to buy a share, it's going to cost you £10 or like $15. Then if you want to sell that share, it's going to cost you another tenner or $15. These were just fees associated with buying and selling shares or stocks. Then I found out about Robinhood, and I thought this is brilliant because with this platform it's commission free, so you can buy and sell shares completely for free and it's not going to cost you anything. So years ago I came across this and I was super excited about it, and then I found out that it's only for the US market, so I was quite bummed about that, and then just really stopped learning about dividend investing and investing in the stock market and put that on the back burner because there was nothing like this in the UK. Now, recently I came across this video, and this is a pretty cool video. I am going to link this in the description below if you want to go through and watch it. And this bloke just here, his name is Andrei. He got paid $781 in 1 month through dividends using the Robinhood platform. And I watched this and I thought, I wish there was something like this in the UK, because I really want to still get into investing, dividend investing, but I don't want to pay all the fees that come along with that. So I just thought, yep, I'm going to Google, see what comes up, see if there's a UK version of Robinhood. And then once I did that, I came across Freetrade. Now, these have been out since the end of last year. There's a lot of good stuff about this company, but this is essentially, let's get rid of that. This is essentially the UK version of Robinhood. So you can sign up for free, get a basic account, and start buying stocks and shares to invest in completely for free. So it's not going to cost you a thing. So if you're in the UK and you wanted to get into investing but you haven't yet, then I'm going to leave a link for this down in the description below so you can go through and check it out. Now, me personally, I've already created an account. I haven't purchased anything yet because I'm still researching a hell of a lot of companies, a few that pay monthly dividends, quarterly, and all that good stuff. I've actually created a whole folder of investments of companies that I'm highly interested in. Now remember, I learned all about I learned all about investing a few years ago, the principles that you need to know. I've put in a lot of work, so I already know what companies are good to invest in, or how to figure out what companies are good to invest in. Now let's get rid of that. Sorry about that. I keep meaning to update my screen recorder. Now, another reason why I have not invested in any companies yet is because I am going to open an Icer account. Now, this isn't a video about an Icer, but what an Icer account essentially is a tax wrapper. So you can create an Icer account with this company, then any gains or dividends earned through that Icer you don't have to pay tax on. It's completely tax free. So if you plan on investing quite regularly, an Icer is a good way to go, and you can invest up to £20,000 in a year. Now, one thing that I do want to say is investing in the stock market, whether you're becoming a growth investor or a dividend investor, this isn't a get rich quick thing. This is a long term. So I plan on adding to my portfolio when I start one every single month. Now, every month I might just put £100 in, 200, 300, 400, 500. It all depends, but the point is to be consistent enough to where you're constantly adding and purchasing dividend assets. Over time, now I say over time because remember this isn't a get rich quick thing, your dividends start increasing because you're buying more shares. Then every time you get those dividends, you buy more shares, and it all compounds on top of each other, and you can produce an income over time just from dividend investing. Now, if you want to learn more about that, I do highly recommend just YouTubing it or Googling it and learning as much as you can, especially if you're young, because investing when you're young is potentially the best thing you could ever do. So let's keep scrolling down. So they do have quite a lot of stocks and shares on here at the minute, and like I said, it's a great platform to invest. I'm going to probably start investing by the end of the week. Now, if you want to learn more about this platform, there's a really good YouTube channel at the minute, and his name, or the name of the channel, is called Infant Investors. Again, this is specifically just for the UK. What I'm going to do, if you want to go and check out his videos, I'm also going to leave a link for that down in the description below, because he uses Freetrade and you can see what the platform is actually like. One thing I forgot to mention, let's just close a couple of tabs, go back to Freetrade. Now, like I said as well, you can do it completely for free and just open a basic account. Then with the Icer is, if we pull that up, scroll down. So just here, the stocks and shares Icer is free until July 2019, and then it's £3 a month. But remember, it is a tax wrapper. This is what I will be getting within the next few days, because I'm going to start taking this very seriously. And then as the months go by, I'll start sharing my portfolio of dividend assets or my shares that I've been investing in, so you can see for yourself how it's actually going for me. So why am I going to do this? Well, I now have a couple of businesses that produce a decent income for me, and I want to start allocating that income to go and make me more money, whether that's starting a new business or purchasing cash flow producing assets in the form of affiliate websites, or even like here, investing in the stock market. You always want your money to go and make you more money. You want your money to be like a little army of £1 which all go out for you and create more money. Now, you can do this when you have a 9-to-5 job. You can allocate a bit or allocate a portion of your income to invest in, or you can save it up to buy cash producing assets. or you could start a passive income business. Now, my favorite passive income business is selling low and no content books through Amazon, because we can do this completely for free. Now, if you want more information on that, then check out the videos on my channel, because I have quite a lot. Or you can even go straight through to my course, which is called Printing Profits. This course is how I built my low content book publishing business to over $1,000 per month within 3 months. So if you want to learn how to create passive income literally for free, then check out this course. And also, I want to say, if you want to learn more about the concept about having your money going and make you more money, then I highly recommend you checking out this book. This book is called The Richest Man in Babylon, and it's here on YouTube as an audiobook. Now, what I am going to do is leave a link for this down in the description below, and I do highly recommend you going and listening to this. Yes, it's an 8-hour long audiobook, but you're going to get so much information and have a great understanding on how to build wealth. This is one of the best books that I have ever listened to. I say listened because I don't really like reading. I prefer listening to audiobooks, and I've been recommending this book to people for such a long time. So if you want to understand how to have your money go and make you more money, check this out in the description down below. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.